Welcome to Explain the Charts, and today, November 13th, 2024, we'll be analyzing Apple stock, taking a look at the news and the chart data to determine the best course of action for both short and long-term trading. In the news, Apple has been facing regulatory issues in the EU for geo-blocking practices, which could impact its services like Apple Music and the iTunes Store. Apple is also planning to launch a new smart home IP camera in 2026, with Gore-Tex as the exclusive assembly supplier, which could be a bullish signal for the company's expansion into the smart home market. Recent iPhone 16 sales reports have been mixed, with some analysts reporting strong initial sales while others reported lower than expected pre-orders. This uncertainty could contribute to volatility in Apple's stock price in the short term. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicts Apple will ship tens of millions of its new smart home IP cameras annually, potentially indicating strong growth potential for the company in the future. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a clear uptrend for Apple in the past few months, with the price consistently breaking through resistance levels. The stock has experienced some consolidation around the $220 to $230 range, which could be interpreted as a bullish signal indicating a potential breakout. The recent pullback below the 50-day moving average could be a sign of profit-taking or a potential short-term correction. However, the overall trend remains bullish, and the stock's strong performance in the past few months suggests a solid foundation for continued growth. The 200-day moving average currently provides strong support, and the stock has held above this level throughout the recent pullback. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see a more detailed view of the price action. The 1-hour chart reveals a series of higher highs and higher lows, further confirming the bullish trend. The stock has experienced some consolidation in the recent trading sessions, but the price has remained above the 20-period moving average, indicating support. The recent breakout above the $220 resistance level was a strong bullish signal, and the stock has been consolidating around the $225 level. The 50-period moving average provides additional support, and the price has held above this level for the past several hours. We can see a strong correlation between the news and the chart data, as the recent consolidation in the stock price could be attributed to the uncertainty surrounding iPhone 16 sales reports. However, the overall bullish trend suggests that investors remain optimistic about the company's future prospects. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see the most granular view of the price action. The 15-minute chart reveals a more volatile price action with a series of small swings in both directions. The stock has been trading in a tight range in the recent sessions, but the price has remained above the 20-period moving average, indicating short-term support. The recent breakout above the $225 level on the 1-hour chart is also visible on the 15-minute chart, confirming the bullish momentum. The current price action on the 15-minute chart suggests that the stock could be poised for a further breakout, but it's important to monitor the volume and price action carefully. In conclusion, Apple stock is currently in a bullish trend, despite some recent consolidation and uncertainty surrounding iPhone 16 sales reports. The stock has broken through multiple resistance levels in the past few months, indicating strong momentum. The daily chart reveals a potential breakout above the $220 to $230 range, while the 1-hour chart shows a recent breakout above the $220 level and consolidation around the $225 level. Key price levels to watch include the 200-day moving average on the daily chart, which provides strong support, and the 50-period moving average on the 1-hour chart, which also provides support. The stock has been trading in a tight range on the 15-minute chart, but a breakout above the $225 level could indicate a further uptrend. Overall, the stock is showing bullish signals, but it's important to monitor the news closely for any potential headwinds. The upcoming earnings report could provide significant catalysts for the stock's future direction, so be sure to stay informed about Apple's financial performance. Investors should be mindful of the potential for volatility in the short term, but the long-term outlook for Apple remains positive, especially if the company can successfully expand into new markets like the smart home sector.